Aloha, I'm Joshi. I'm an MOG here at Copley Down to Earth, and we're here to go over some espresso bar training techniques. Espresso is a very concentrated form of coffee that is brewed by forcing near boiling water through a small amount and a well-packed amount of coffee grinds. So this is our espresso shot, and these are the different parts: the heart, the body, and the crema. The heart, the body, and the crema. This is the on and off button, the portafilter, our group heads, our timer, hot water spout, the shot stand, the catch pan, our steam wands, the steam lever, and our pull buttons. So this is the on and off button or switch, the basin, the auto doser weight, the portafilter rack. This is our bar towel, thermometer, our whisk, shot glass, cups, steam towel, frothing spoon, frothing pitcher, and bump bar. Step 1. So to begin, we need to rinse the portafilter of any used grounds of coffee. We do that by pressing the pause button and letting the hot water pour from the group head. Then we bring the portafilter to the bird grinder and press the double shot button and wait for the grinder to finish expelling out the right amount of coffee. Now we take it to the temp pad and we apply 30 pounds of pressure, twist, and whack, and then another 15 pounds of pressure, and then dust off any excess grinds from the portafilter. Then we put it in our machine, pull out the shot pan, and pull for 2 shots. Now you can use the plastic measuring cup if you're short a shot glass. Now watch your espresso brew, creating the 3 different parts: the heart, the body, and the crema. So now that you've mastered how to make espresso shots, we can use these techniques to make an Americano. An Americano is a very basic beverage. All you need are espresso shots and some hot water. When you make the hot Americanos, you can pull the shots directly into a hot cup. Once the espresso shots have been pulled, you can pour the hot water directly into the cup using the hot water spout, and then leave an inch of space for cream. So once your shots are done pulling, pour them directly into the water of your cup. Then take some ice and pour it just below the measure line. And this leaves enough space for cream. And that's how you make an iced Americano. Never pull espresso shots directly into the plastic cups. They will melt. Steaming milk, otherwise known as milk frothing. Frothing generally means the formation of rising bubbles, and this is what creates nice creamy foam and heats the milk for a nice hot latte. Frothing is very important because the foam keeps the beverage nice and warm. Next, we want to measure out a good amount of milk that is appropriate for the size of your latte. So this would be a 12 ounce, 16, and a 20 ounce. With time and practice, you'll be able to eyeball the right amount of milk needed for each size. First, we rinse out our pitcher with cold water. Then we measure out enough milk for your size latte. In this case, we're making a regular sized 16-ounce latte. Before we steam the milk, always purge your wand of any milk residue. Next, always use a thermometer. Use the spout of the pitcher to guide your steam wand to the very surface of the milk. Use the manual lever to steam your milk. Watch your milk to make sure that it is frothing in a cylindrical form. If the milk doesn't stop screeching, then you're probably burning it. Once the temperature reaches 140, you can stop steaming and watch the temperature rise to 160. Don't forget to purge the wand after steaming your milk. Voila! Steamed milk. Pour your espresso shots directly into the hot cup. Once your shots have pulled into the hot cup, take your pitcher of milk and pour it directly into the cup. This is called free pouring. It's a lot more time efficient than using a spoon to scrape out the foam. To make an iced latte, use the same steps as an iced Americano, but with cold milk. Flavored lattes are very popular. To make a flavored latte, you start with making a basic hot or iced latte, then mixing in the necessary flavors according to our down-to-earth recipes. Most lattes use vanilla powder and an organic syrup, but not all of them. Always consult the down-to-earth recipe. Thank you for watching our down-to-earth espresso training video. If you have any questions, please ask your deli manager. Thanks a latte!